Come put it down on me, round skin girl, but when it's all loving it.
Oh Lord, your girl's doing it. She's trying it, okay? I'm plucking the front right now because your girl don't got a head, so she gotta use her own head. I look crazy as hell right now. Like, wow. Yeah, your girl's trying. I gotta go in and continue to pluck the front, take out my baby hairs, whatever. So, yeah, that's the way that's all over. This is like the second layer that I put on here. I know, I'm trying to trust the process. And y'all gotta trust the process with me, so we gotta see how this goes. Okay, so lace is cut off the cap. Oh, lace is cut. I cut the cap. This is how the cap looking like. I know it was looking a little raggedy, but this is your girl's first time, so you gotta give me a chance. So, letting this just dry a little bit more. Put my powder, and then try this with me. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere, okay? I'm literally plucking my thing now. Don't look at my freaking dry forehead right now, but your girl, okay, is plucking right here. Y'all just wait, okay? Just wait. It's coming. Just watch, okay? Just hear me out. Give me the benefit of the doubt. First time, so let's see how this goes. Can I just say that I honestly did try, like, what the flip? I don't know what the fuck I got going on or did wrong. Maybe the wig is too fucking far on my forehead. I don't know. And I did not bleach no knots, no, because the girl just, you know, still practicing. But oh my god.
My hair, it don't move. You hear what I'm telling you? My hair, it don't move. My hair.
Wow, this is really the hair, y'all. This is really the hair. Well, it looks like I'm gonna be wearing a, ooh, y'all seen that? My eye got stuck together. Well, looks like your girl's about to be wearing a hat until I get back tomorrow morning from work. Cause yeah, obviously I still got a few more videos to watch, but I don't think it came out too bad, you know. Like, tomorrow I know what I have to do, y'all, so I don't even need y'all to say it, but I gotta push this wig back. If I push it back a little bit more, then I would be good. So, and I definitely need to bleach these knots, cause what the fuck. But yeah, so with the hat on, this shit look cute. It'll be a cute ass like hat wig. But peace. I just need to know what people see when they look at the back of my head with this, cause it's not too shabby, but I'm gonna get better at this. Watch.